Hi, I'm Jake with Ace Auto. We're doing a diagnostics today on a 2010 Chevy Aveo. We've had the original compressor came in with a no cooling effect. We put a compressor in due to lack of pressures and found that after about an hour and a half of the new compressor running that it's failed, and we are getting no pressure changes, no temperature changes, no changes at all coming through the compressor. So we'll go ahead and start this vehicle up and show you what it's doing. We have our low and high side pressure gauges hooked up to the vehicle. Right now we have about 100 to 105 psi in the system. And we'll go ahead and start this up and show you what a failed compressor looks like. So at first glance, we'll see the pressure's changed slightly. Our low side went from 105 to approximately 80 psi, and our high side went from about 105 to 145. The couple things to keep in mind is the condenser fan. The high side switch will not turn on the condenser fan until it hits 175. And we have almost absolutely no suction on our low side. Expansion valve's already been changed, and we've tested the expansion valve for good correcting of pressures. Hi, I'm Jake with Ace Auto. We're doing a diagnostics today on a 2010 Chevy Aveo. We've had the original compressor. With the compressor engaged, again, hang on Wyatt. 150s max, 82, 84s are lowest on our low side. This system should do about 40 psi with a good compressor and about 225 to 250 again with a good compressor, and we're not getting any kind of suction almost at all or pressure. Go ahead and turn the AC off. Kick the AC off, watch the compressor shut off, and we can see that our expansion valve is holding the pressures. Our compressor clutch spinning. With the compressor engaged again, you can see what our low side's doing. It's fluctuating, almost back to full. Our high side went almost to 175, and it's also fluctuating. Mind you, this is with compressor always on. The compressor's not cycling, not shutting off. And that tells us we definitely have a failed compressor. It's not able to do its job under a load at all. Low side's just bouncing with compressor full-time engaged. We should never see that. We should see a solid almost 40 to 50 psi. And then when the compressor shuts off, we should see it climb to about 70 maybe, and then kick back on and come back down. Again with this side, we should be above 175 to get the condenser fan to turn on. Go up to about 225 and back down as it cycles. That is not happening whatsoever. We're going to go ahead and do a full system flush, compressor change, condenser change, expansion valve, and again flushing everything else out. We'll show you guys what that produces once we get the system correctly operating. receiver dryer parts out. That is the receiver dryer desiccant bag. Blacker and black. There's a lot of aluminum flaking on it. This is the receiver dryer filter. Absolutely no light coming through that. Clogged as can be. Full AC system repair consists of expansion valve or orifice tube replacement, receiver dryer replacement, compressor replacement, and flushing of the rest of the components. On this particular system, we're going to be putting in a condenser so that we can give the customer a full year warranty. And without a condenser, we only do a 6-month warranty, and the difference is the condenser has extremely small ports that are hard to flush. And so you can have debris that are stuck in the condenser, and that's why we've decided and determined to go ahead and replace this condenser because of the debris that we found inside and internally, and knowing that that condenser is probably not going to be able to flush out for us and still get a good quality of system. The customer brought us a new compressor to install. The compressor lasted about 45 minutes before it grenaded itself and would not pressurize. Flush time. This is our flushing tool. Fill it up with your agent, your flushing agent, you pressurize the bottle, and you flush the system. Where'd our kit go that we brought over here? Okay, we got the full AC kit. Compressor, our PAG oil, our AC flush, our expansion valve, our new valves for a Schrader, and all the O-rings that this system's going to take. New condenser. The condenser has the new receiver dryer installed. Got our safety goggles. This is what we're pulling out of the system. It's nasty black stuff. here.